Accounting Principles in Tulsa. Have you ever been to the city of Tulsa? Tulsa is a city that embraces challenges, and it also values collaborative solutions. The top officials of the city are trying very hard to promote public safety, green initiatives, innovative educational opportunities, and diversity. If you want to free your entrepreneurial spirit, Tulsa is the best place for you. You can also find Accounting Principles in the city of Tulsa. The company is considered a leader in terms of offering the best workforce solutions specifically in the financial and accounting services industries. How can Accounting Principles do this? Well, the company makes use of a blend of temp-to-hire, temporary staffing, payroll services, contract services, direct placement, and a lot more. Accounting Principles can provide their clients with an accounting professional or even a team of CPAs when needed. The company is made up of nationwide representatives who have experienced accounting in the real world, and not just by the books. With only one call, clients can talk with CPAs or CPAs. You see, Accounting Principles are not just a recruiter or a human resource professionals, they're more than that. Their representatives have more or less 5 years experience in recruitment and in the fields of finance and accounting. The company covers the following job opportunities: accounting, administrative, bank operations, business operation manager, CFO, collector, controller, management consulting, merger acquisitions, and mortgage banking. The company offers 100% guaranteed career services because of its wide experience in accounting and finance. In a way, the company is exclusively qualified to understand what the clients want in their careers. Their representatives can help clients in meeting their goals through personal interviews. They will also evaluate their clients' unique skills and at the same time, offer them matching opportunities from leading companies. The clients can expect the representatives of Accounting Principles to listen to them and respect their needs. Representatives treat clients equally and honestly. They also maintain absolute confidentiality and keep their clients' best interests. Client services offered by Accounting Principles include a variety of workforce solutions in finance and accounting through the company's branch network nationwide. Accounting Principles started out just like other companies, so they know what these companies are going through. At present, Accounting Principles have a great number of client companies all over the world. The location for Accounting Principles is just perfect since Tulsa is a city where the entrepreneurial spirit is nurtured. It's no wonder that the company is enjoying success. Through hard work and dedicated representatives, Accounting Principles still has a long way to go. The company can expect better years to come. Contact the company now. You can easily check out their online website. There you can find all the information you may need. The website is user-friendly, and so you can easily maneuver in and out of the site. You can get all the important information like telephone numbers, email addresses, and a lot more. If you live in Tulsa, you can always visit the company's office. It has branches all over the nation, but if you can't find one locally, you can just call them. Don't worry because your call will be confidential and the company will not just give out your information to others. Accounting Principles is a reputable name that you can trust. The company already has a lot of clients, and so you can also trust them.